I sound words. Read and say aloud. IB, bib, fib, jib, nib, rib, lib. ID, bid, did, hid, kid, lid, rid. IG, big, dig, fig, mig, pig, wig. IN, bin, chin, din, pin, tin, win. IP, dip, hip, lip, sip, tip, zip. IT, bit, fit, hit, kit, pit, sit. Jim and his bin. Jim is a thin kid. He has a big bin. The bin is made of tin. The bin has no lid. Jim saw a fig in the bin.